children, how are you? I hope everyone is safe and fine at home. So now dear children, we have completed the course book chapter Puppy in the Well. We have done the new words, the question answers, and then we have done the back exercise also. Now comes the chance of this book. What is there in Pushpanjali ma'am's hand? See, this is our workbook, right? And in this, we'll be doing the exercises of this chapter only, which is the puppy in the well. The exercises start from page number 9. Okay, so today we'll be discussing it on the board. Now dear children, the first exercise, the A part is use can or cannot in the sentences below. We all have done this thing now, and I know you are very sure and this concept is very clear that can is used when we have to indicate the ability, and cannot is used when we have to indicate the inability, right? So today we are going to do this exercise, the A part. This is the A part we are going to do. A camel dash drink 10 gallons of water, but I dash. So now here dear children, a camel we all know that it can drink 10 gallons of water. It can drink lots of water together. But can we drink 10 gallons of water? No. So, but I cannot. Simple. We have to write this thing, can or cannot. Right? Now the second is a dog dash catch a thief, but a donkey. So now a dog can catch a thief, but a donkey cannot. Right, absolutely right. So dear children, I have discussed with you these two. The remaining 3, 4 and 5. The answers will be given in the assignment section. Now to begin with the B part on page number 10. What do we have to do in this part dear children? It says use a, an or the where needed in the sentences below. Now we have done this concept also in the back exercise of our course book, right? So a quick recap is required here. Again, beta, in the alphabetical series, as I told you before also, there are 26 letters. Out of them, how many are vowels? Correct, 5. And what are the vowels? Speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. So these are called the vowels, and the remaining 21 letters are called the consonants. Now, a is used when we are talking about, a is used before the singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, right? For example, a marker. Now this marker, it is beginning with a consonant sound and it is singular, one. That's why Pushpanjali ma'am has used a marker, right? An is used with singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Like for example, an egg, an umbrella, an apple, right? All these they begin with vowel sounds. And the is used when we are specifically talking about something. When we are in particular talking about something, then at that time we use the. Now in this B exercise, it says use a, an or the where needed in the sentences below. Now see, ma'am has already written the sentences. Dash bird has wings. Now here we are not talking about any bird. We are not talking about any particular bird. Any bird it can be. So a bird has wings. Right. I went to dash fruit shop and bought oranges. I went to, again here, this fruit shop. Which fruit shop are we talking about? Any. So we are not talking about any particular fruit shop. So here we will again write, I went to a fruit shop and bought oranges. In the similar manner, beta, 3, 4, 5, you are going to apply the logic. The answers I will be providing in the assignment section. Now coming to the C part. It says use suitable words from the box given below and complete these sentences. So here you can see a rectangular box is given. See dear children, a rectangular box is given and few blanks are given below that. So we have to just pick up the correct word from the box and fill it up. It is very simple and very interesting. See, I have written, the first is the teacher can speak 3. Now what 3? The word that is given in the box is languages. So we are going to write down here languages. The teacher can speak 3 languages. My friend can swim across the, you swim across the, which word will go? River. You swim across the river. Okay, so this is how you are going to find out the answers for the rest of the 3 fill-ups. Answers will be given in the assignment section. Now coming to the exercise on page 11. What does it say? It says select words from the well. Now here there is a well and few words are written on it and complete the sentences below. Again, this is a wonderful exercise and very interesting. So the words are rush, ladder, rubbish, bucket, rope. So here see dear children, I have written 2 points here. Use a dash to get onto the roof. What do you use to get onto the roof? Of course, ladder. So we are going to write down here ladder. Very good. Excellent. Now, always throw dash in a dustbin. What do you throw in the dustbin? What word is given here? Rubbish. So always throw rubbish in the dustbin. Now, ma'am has done these 2 for you. The remaining 3 you are going to do. Pick up the correct words and fill it up. And the remaining exercises, dear children, we'll be covering in our next video. Till then, complete all these exercises that ma'am has discussed so far. Right? Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.